Kelly, Sheena and Trudy, who are going on a massive weekend away a bit later on this year. And love a bit of 80s music. We had Wham! Bad Boys and Mel and Kim showing out. Perfect start to the... Prize bundles, there's loads to be won. Head online now to enter. Win big, win happy. Marvel Studios' Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 is in cinemas now.
Let's give the galaxy something to remember us by.
Galaxy Volume 3 in cinemas now.
Did you know that if you owned or leased a diesel vehicle between 2009 and 2020, then you could be entitled to significant compensation? At My Diesel Claim, we're experts in handling these claims.